The cap's off.
You don't have to.
Boy.
Yeah, you know.
Hold on, push.
What's holding on that? The cables and the wires, sockets.
I'm going to push this one through, okay? First.
Just apply some spray. It won't be.
Okay, keep it going.
Yeah. Baby finger one.
Oh, shit. Hold on, Pushka.
It's still messed up.
I think it seems like I spent half my life working on these bloody things.
All of these bikes, like which I've got, isn't on the points or electronic.
I don't like electronics.
So all of those are the points.
Yeah, completely original, as they were.
You're not a big fan of
We're
it.
still connected, are we? Yeah.
This cable. What's
Ignition.
this? Oh, accelerator cable. You'd be to remove this so that makes life easier.
Yeah.
This is at least.
I don't know. 4,000 pounds.
I used to do sell packs every day, like some daily. People start with this, that. There's very quiet people who does RD.
If you ever need any help on anything, Pushka,
Yeah.
you come to me and I'll gladly help you. Perfect.
Okay.
Oh shit, I'm going to hit the traffic. Never mind.
So, just be careful with the caliper. So I shoot. So, no, I can do that. You should probably get the gun one, so it's gonna be easy for you.
Yeah.
The next time. You just
That's going to snap, isn't it?
so that the small sprocket seal. So where's the top cap?
The what?
The
Put them in the bag.
Okay.
Just pop them in the bag. You're moving. Good boy, Pushka. He's been eating Weetabix.
Nah.
I couldn't shift it. I've had at least £30,000 plus spent on them.
plus what?
30,000 plus each one.
Each, yeah.
I go around like a tramp so that I can feed my bicab. Oh, that can stay there, can't it?
No, the caliper.